What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Make sure you hit the like button down below, guys, and leave a comment if you guys want to see more PayPal. Leave a comment down below where you think prices are headed. Let's see where the consensus is at. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Well, last time I looked at this was June 20th, which was right about here. Price was trading right around the high 50s, low 60s. And you can see that price is still looking like it wants to make a measure move target lower. So you can see that was basically like a strong rejection off of this $68 level. Rejection here, fail breakout, came back to test it, rejection again. So four rejections off that level, and is sending price down to the lower side of this yellow range. So this was one leg down right here. Price can make a similar sized leg in the future, and that's exactly what happened, and is headed down towards the high to low mid 50s again. So most likely you can see more downside for PayPal. It's not looking that bullish. You can see that the bulls failed to make a measure move higher. This was one leg up right here. This was the second leg. The bulls were targeting to reach the $73 level, but they failed. So that shows signs of weakness. Basically, if you see a move in the market and then the price looks like to be making another move in the again, and it can't make the same size move as the past, that means it's not as strong as it once was. And that's exactly what happened right here. We had a strong move up, a correction, and then another resumption of that trend, but this time it was not as strong as the prior trend. So that shows signs of weakness, which means sellers can come in and stop out all the bulls, and that's exactly what's been happening for the past couple of months now. So gonna probably see more downside. Is basically a range pattern. Price likes to stay within this range until a big player can come in and break out of it. But overall, we're still stuck within these two price levels, 68 and 58. It's headed towards the low to mid 50s, and if it does break out lower, then it's probably going to stop out the longs who have the stop losses below the swing right here. So stop losses have their longs have the stop losses placed right here, and the shorts are probably coming to take them out right here, and maybe then we'll probably see a push up higher. Either way, short term it is looking bearish. It is approaching support though. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart shows that it's been just a choppy mess for the past several months now, even a year, dating back to June of 2023. We're basically at the same price levels as that 1 year ago. So not much has changed. Overall, just sideways trading. There is a bearish bias to this chart, even in the long term, because we're just coming off a downward trend, and the short term looks like it's not over yet. It looks like it's still trying to drop down that price. So I'm looking for the low to mid 50s, most likely the 57, 67, and then we'll see what happens there. But as right now, if it doesn't hold, there's still a good amount of drop left that can occur on the price chart. So we'll see what happens for PayPal. That's all I have for PayPal on the daily, weekly charts. Not much has changed. It's still on track to trend down lower, and then long term is still kind of trending sideways. But if that support level does not hold at 57, no one knows for sure. If it does hold, then we're probably going to see a bounce up higher, maybe back up to the 68. If it doesn't hold, then we're going to probably break down lower and possibly even trend much lower. So all I have for PayPal on the daily, weekly charts. And if you guys want to see more PayPal, make sure you hit the like button down below. Make sure you leave a comment, and I'll see you guys. Well, this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.